Mastering Andon Systems. Implementing an Andon system is the key to unlocking operational excellence. Where does the primary goal of implementing an Andon system in our organization lie, specifically in terms of enhancing operational excellence and driving continuous improvement? The primary goal of implementing an Andon system in our organization lies in empowering real-time visibility, prompt action, and seamless communication to address production floor anomalies, thereby enhancing operational excellence and driving continuous improvement. By integrating this system, we can revolutionize our response to quality control, equipment maintenance, and workflow optimization, ultimately leading to enhanced productivity, reduced waste, and improved customer satisfaction. To begin with, the Andon system's real-time visibility enables prompt identification of production floor disruptions, such as equipment failure, quality control issues, or supply chain bottlenecks. This instantaneous awareness allows us to swiftly respond to these anomalies, mitigating their impact on our production schedule and preventing costly downtime. By reducing the mean time to detect, MTTD, and mean time to resolve, MTTR, these disruptions, we can minimize the ripple effect on our operations, ensuring that our production lines remain optimized and efficient. One of the critical aspects of the Andon system is its ability to facilitate seamless communication across various levels of the organization. When an anomaly is detected, the system automatically alerts relevant stakeholders, including production supervisors, maintenance personnel, and quality control teams. This prompt notification enables these teams to collaborate and respond promptly, ensuring that issues are addressed quickly and effectively. By breaking down silos and promoting cross-functional collaboration, we can foster a culture of transparency, accountability, and collective ownership of production floor performance. Another key benefit of the Andon system lies in its capacity to drive continuous improvement. By analyzing data on production floor disruptions, we can identify patterns, trends, and root causes of these anomalies. This insights-driven approach enables us to develop targeted improvement initiatives, addressing the underlying causes of these disruptions and implementing preventative measures to minimize their recurrence. Over time, this data-driven approach will facilitate the development of a predictive maintenance strategy, allowing us to proactively address potential issues before they impact our operations. Furthermore, the Andon system's emphasis on real-time visibility and prompt action can have a profound impact on our organization's culture and mindset. By empowering employees to take ownership of production floor performance and providing them with the tools and resources needed to respond effectively to anomalies, we can cultivate a culture of operational excellence. This, in turn, will drive employee engagement, motivation, and accountability, ultimately leading to improved morale and reduced turnover. In addition to its operational benefits, the Andon system can also have a significant impact on our organization's bottom line. By minimizing downtime, reducing waste, and improving productivity, we can increase our revenue and profitability. Moreover, the system's predictive maintenance capabilities can help us reduce maintenance costs, extend the lifespan of our equipment, and optimize our supply chain operations. To ensure the successful implementation of the Andon system, it is essential to establish clear goals, objectives, and key performance indicators, KPIs. These metrics should be closely tied to our organization's overall operational excellence strategy, encompassing aspects such as production efficiency, quality control, and customer satisfaction. Furthermore, we should develop a comprehensive training program, equipping employees with the skills and knowledge needed to effectively utilize the system and respond to production floor anomalies. In conclusion, the primary goal of implementing an Andon system in our organization lies in harnessing real-time visibility, prompt action, and seamless communication to drive operational excellence and continuous improvement. By leveraging this system, we can revolutionize our response to production floor anomalies, enhance productivity, reduce waste, and improve customer satisfaction. As we embark on this journey, it is essential to remain focused on our goals, monitor our progress, and continually refine our approach to maximize the benefits of this powerful operational excellence tool.